2547 Perkins Lane. This is a post-jetter camera inspection. I'm going to start pulling back. It's clear from here on out. Problem area is right behind us. It's all PVC, as you can see. We're coming up on the problem right there. As you can see on the left hand side of the screen, there's a break in the PVC where a root is coming in, and it's going through to the other side where there's a break where it's going out the other side, or the other way around. We jetted this for quite some time. This hasn't even made a scratch in it. That root is just too big for the jetter. It is going to have to be excavated and replaced. I'm going to pause the video right there. I'm going to continue to pull back here. It's a lot of the same. It's all PVC. There's no other breaks or roots. The rest of the line is completely intact. There's some discoloration from years, wear and tear.
People still installing PVC?
Yeah, that's what we use still.